This is we call tuk moto. It is a very popular vehicle in Asia's country, and this model it is invented maybe from Indians. Okay, let's go to see this component and the assemble of the tuk here. Okay, here we break down and to see the component step by step. Here you can see a full skirt here, and we will crop it part by part to view for more information and to be clear for reading and seeing all the parts. Okay, here we skirt for number one. It shows about the front section. You can see the number one is the windshields. Number two is the wiper front indicator. Number three and number four is the headlight. Number five is the front panel cover. Number six is the rear view mirrors. Okay, you can see this is the skirt and the assemble to share and we use all part by part to read and understand. And here's the part two. Part two we skirt at the back side. So part two is the passenger's cabin. Passenger seat at the back. Okay, you can read from number one to number six to understand all the part. And for the part three, it is a chassis frame. Yeah, it is the structure of the tuk-tuk. You can see it's larger the skirt to use. Number one is the main frame. Number two is the floor panels. Number three is the front Number three is the front suspensions. Number four is the rear suspensions. Number five is the rear wheel arm. Okay, please read it. Please read it. We are going to share it is very clear and understanding. So for number four, it is the driver rear. Okay, you can read it for detail. And number five, we show about the powertrain. It is talk about the machine of the motor, the tuk-tuk, the engine, four-stroke. Okay, please read and understand all the part that we have skirts. And number second seven, we skirt about for more detail like battery for fuse box, wiring harness, another component, and for number seven, it we skirt to you about the wheels and brake. Okay, so I think it is completely detailed about the tuk-tuk. You can read and check for a whole video to see all the part and the technical word for the tuk-tuk here.